June 17th, 2025, 22:12, kitchen. I have a cat ball set up on the couch with my camcorder going, running solo. Is there anybody here? I'm right here. Oh yeah. Coaches, will you light up the cat ball for me? Sound like no. Swamp. Where are you? In the dirt. We're at in the dark. How many are here? Lexington. What about Stay calm. What about Lexington? Flickering. What's flickering? Who are you? Never again. What are you never going to do never again? I don't think I will. Brother is lazy. Spiritual. Come back to me. Protection. Where are you? Not alone. Where are you? Will you light up the cat ball for me? Unseen. Come on, just once. Please. How many are here? Searching. I'll never leave you. Who are you?
Unnerving.
Unnerving. What's unnerving? I can hear your thoughts. Dad doesn't know anything. Gordon. Fleeting shadow. Lafayette. Stay with me, I believe. Dark. Dad always lectures me. I am always watching. Y'all have looked too fast. This is the Spirit Box app where the messages come through. Satisfaction. There always complains. I have a voice recorder going. Alright, I'm gonna worlds apart. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you for joining in. I probably won't get it loaded. I need to try to move quicker. Light on. Phantom touch. Who are you? $19.12. I can hear you. What? I'll never leave. Who are you? What's your name? Dallas. T-A-L-L-O-W. Mom never acknowledges nothing. They're coming. Who is? Alright, well, we need to be wrapping this up. Any last remarks? Trapped in darkness. Stay calm. I am calm. Alright, I want to thank you for talking with me tonight. As always, it's love and respect always. This is going to be the end of the conversation for tonight. Thank you again. Conversation is... Stay forever. Alright, well, thank you. Good night and goodbye. This is the end of the conversation.